Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview DPPAN 12-foot by 30-inch inflatable swimming pool. Let's enjoy the water fun in this round above-ground pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy inflatable swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. This above-ground swimming pool is made of high-quality environmental protection PVC material. It's an environmental protection and harmless material which can provide structural integrity to your pool. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools. The pool can be easily dismantled and stored to save space. Walls: the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.